Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a reliable, safe feeding spot. Do this now so crows learn to trust a location. Place food 10 to 20 meters from people and offer small, consistent portions, 1 to 2 pieces of meat or about 0. 5 cups of seeds at roughly the same time 3 to 7 days each week. Once done, sit quietly, keep movement minimal, and avoid direct eye contact. This reduces perceived threat. Make sure to use gloves or a tool when replenishing food to stay predictable and calm. Now you focus on predictable cues and higher value rewards. This is where bonds deepen. Start using one clear signal, like a short whistle or distinct hand motion, each time you arrive. Repeat it so crows associate the cue with food. Gradually upgrade treats from nuts to small cooked meat or eggs, delivering them only after they respond to your cue. Once they start showing up more often, record arrival times and tweak your schedule to match peak visits, because timing strengthens expectations and encourages repeat interactions. To finish, you move from feeding to controlled interaction. This is the payoff. When crows reliably come close, offer food on a platform, then try presenting on your palm, but only when they appear calm. Move slowly and breathe steady. Teach simple exchanges. Place a shiny token, give food when they pick it up, then shape through vocal praise. If visits decline, pause feeding for 3 to 5 days to reset behavior, then restart with lower value treats and the original cue. This troubleshooting often restores trust and interest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.